Okay, this is Ford's circa 1996. This is their diagnostic procedure. So the first thing that you have to do is you have to hook up something to the self-test port, right? If you remember this from Stratton's days, that's that little box. It has these two plugs, and so because I don't have Ford's tester, you can hook it up with an analog voltmeter. Hook it up battery positive, as you see. Chase it around back to our little fancy meter, which right now it's indicating 12 volts. The negative plugs into one specific port on the plug itself. You take a jumper wire, this yellow thing, go into that port over there, and we climb in the cab, and we start the engine, or attempt to do so, to get it up to temperature, which, because it's so bloody cold outside, that's not going to happen right now. It tries. Eventually it'll die. It's dead. Okay, we turn the key back off for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Key goes back to on, engine off. We come out here and look at our little voltmeter. We're going to hear a relay click here in a second. And now it's going to start giving us numbers by every needle sweep. 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. So that's 212. The next one's number going to be 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now 7. 467. Next one will be 8. Now 2. And 8 again. It's for the number 828. Anyway, so reading the needle, I get these trouble codes. I might be off one, I don't know. I have to try this again maybe. But anyway, there's Ford diagnostic procedures according to this big fat binder, all at 1996, not 86, 96.